In the snowy wilderness of the Romanian mountains, a Ukrainian man, Vladislav Duda, owes his life to an unlikely hero, his loyal ginger kitten, Peach. Duda fled war-torn Ukraine with just a few belongings, but leaving Peach behind was unthinkable. Little did he know that his tiny companion would one day become his savior. While crossing the Romanian border on foot with two companions, Duda found himself caught in a relentless snowstorm. During the treacherous journey, he slipped into a ravine, becoming separated from his group and trapped in freezing conditions. As night fell and temperatures plummeted below freezing, Duda faced an unthinkable ordeal. For nearly 24 hours, he clung to life with Peach curled up beside him. The kitten's warmth and constant companionship became a lifeline, offering him a flicker of hope in the darkness. Romanian search and rescue team Salvament Maramuris launched a mission to locate Duda. After hours of searching, they finally found him in the ravine. Cold, exhausted, but alive. Dan Benga, director of the rescue team, credited Peach with playing a crucial role in Duda's survival. The kitten kept him warm, so it saved his life, Benga explained. Even during the rescue, all he cared about was the cat. He didn't think of himself. Peach remained steadfastly by Duda's side throughout the rescue, even as he was transported to safety. Duda was rushed to the hospital for hypothermia treatment, and Peach never left him, providing comfort during his recovery. Their extraordinary bond captured the hearts of rescuers and the public alike. A spokesperson later confirmed that both Duda and Peach were on the mend. "They're inseparable and doing better together," the spokesperson shared. This heartwarming tale of survival and loyalty is a powerful reminder of the unbreakable bond between humans and their animal companions. Peach's warmth and unwavering presence turned a potential tragedy into a testament to the power of love, courage, and friendship.